up, YouTube fam? Chelsea from Chelsea as of late here, and today we're back in New York. We're thrifting. We're back to our old Sanford girls, and I'm so excited. As I've mentioned before in my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that Jay and I have been redecorating our entire space, our entire apartment, and it's been an exciting journey so far, but I am missing some furniture pieces that I'm definitely wanting to thrift. So today it's a home decor thrifting day. Come thrift with me and we're gonna see what we can find in these good Long Island thrift stores. You can see here, like, the furniture section is actually out here, and I can see there's not a lot today, but you never know, maybe inside we're gonna find some gems. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what these thrifts have for us today, and let's get back to New York thrifting. I'm so excited. Honestly, no one doesn't like New York. Overall, good trip. First stop, it was a little rough to record in there because they were switching things over in the store. Plus there was a bunch of people shopping, so it was just like commotion.com. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got in this first stop. First of all, I'm sure you guys have all seen the trend that's going around where you paint your crystal vases with paint and what is it like? Have I been driving with my left mirror in this whole time?
Bruh.
Hope not. No, that's impossible. With baking soda and paint, and so it comes out looking like a little like clay-ish moment. I want to say clay. Anyway, found this one, and I love the like flower details at the bottom, so I think that's gonna come out really nice. That was only $2.99. I also found this one that had so much texture already for $2, so also gonna do the painting on this. Some vinyls. I always find like really cool vinyls, and I mostly just like the art cover, like the cover art. This is a Miss Barbara Streisand. This is Barbara Streisand, right? Oh yeah, the one and only Miss Barbara Streisand, and she looks like a baddie, so I had to pick that up. A Christmas one, because you know, content. This might be my star find. I found this wicker, perhaps rattan magazine holder. It's white. I would have preferred it be brown, but I feel like it can easily be painted. But it's so good. I mean, it's just in perfect condition, and it's like a nice little vintage moment. And then the last thing I bought that wasn't clothes, I came here once before and clothes wasn't that great, so I was like not even planning on checking it out, but then I started and I was like finding so many good finds, and they had 50% off all the clothes except for like 2 color tags. So I did well on clothing. Maybe I'll do a different haul for that. But found this like straw bag, and I'm gonna DIY it. So that's pretty cool. Off to stop numero dos. Okay, so we're pulling up to our second location. This is my favorite thrift store in New York, Long Island, New Jersey, and they usually have really good home stuff. So let us see what we can find. I guess I haven't really like told you guys what I'm I haven't really told you guys kind of like what I'm searching for. Let me get there before I crash. We've arrived at our second location. Haven't really told you guys what I'm searching for. So we moved some things around. So we need a new dining table, essentially like a round dining table, small. The space is very small, so like 30 inches diameter, more or less, radius, diameter, the length. We are searching for 2 dining chairs, but I have a very specific one I want, so I highly doubt we're gonna find it in the thrifts. You never know. The overall new concept and like theme of our decor is like modern boho, so a lot of rattan, wicker, like baskets, things like that. I am looking for like an accent chair. I think I want a velvet one, but we'll see. Like, that is really pushing. If I can find that at the thrift store, I graduated. My master's, PhD. Matter of fact. Yeah, like little nicks and knacks, a lot of gold accents, things like that. So here we go, second location. Oh goodness. It's super trendy right now too. How adorable is this? I don't know what I would use this for, but I need it. Alright, voiceover Chelsea here to walk you through the next few clips because the sound was truly tragic, but I found this little rattan mirror that I plan to DIY.
Also this wicker oyster moment. It looks like a little pearl oyster that I plan to put plants in. I also am obsessed with vintage dishware, so I had to pick this pottery number up. And I also found this glass bottle that is super intricate. I planned to paint it at first, but then I opted not to because it's so pretty on its own. And then for my star finds of this trip, you guys, look at these vintage cameras that were just chilling on a shelf, literally. I think one is an 8mm film camera and the other one's just like a Kodak film photo camera. And yeah, they're amazing.
Third place was a wrap. It was so packed in there, so I couldn't film. It was just like, there's a lot going on, but that thrift treated me perfectly. Found some really cool things. Not a lot of luck with big pieces, like big furniture pieces, unfortunately, which that's what I was mostly looking forward to finding, but you get what you get and you don't get upset. That's my thrifting motto. So I'm gonna show you guys the last few pieces that I found. Again, more like decor pieces, like smaller things. I don't wanna break anything. So something definitely broke. I usually don't thrift like plates and drinkware unless it's a full set, but I found these 2 plates and they just, I don't know, they gave me like grandma meets boho vibes and I just could not pass them up. They were only $2, so they came home with me. This is like a date night plate situation. Also found, okay, can you not break? Thank you. I honestly could not decide if this was weird or cool in there. It's a zebra with like the zebra face. Maybe I'll paint the eyes. I think the eyes is what's creeping me out, honestly. It's just like a flower vase vase situation. It's kitschy, but it's also weird. I don't know. Might need to paint to make it cool. Here she is. She was only like $1.50. Found these 3 like straw rotten plate situations. I'm definitely gonna paint these and just like hang them on the wall. It's like wall decor for like 50 cents each. This is what's making so much noise. 2 more vases that I plan on painting to give it that clay effect. And what I'm looking for when I'm looking for these is like the texture. Like I want it to have texture already so it looks cool and I don't have to do like a lot to it, and it's just like an easy paint job. Stay tuned for those DIYs. I'm always on the hunt for these like globes when I'm thrifting, and I've found a few in the past, but they've either been dented or like really in like really bad shape. This was the first one that I found that's somewhat decent, and I probably am gonna paint it. I want to paint everything. Chelsea the painter, Bob the builder, we're one. Hotel Trivago. It was a little pricey. It was $7. I mean, that's cheap, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm excited. I copped one finally. I didn't show you guys that in the last thrift store I did find a lot of Christmas stuff, and I found more in this one. Like a coffee, or not a coffee, kettle, but it's so Christmassy. It's so cute. It just has like a little tree. It's vintage. I'll probably just use this as a prop come Christmas. But it was only $2.50, so super cute. I only got lucky with 1 basket this whole trip. Oh my god, I almost broke my zebra. This is dangerous. I should have shown you guys this when I got home. Only got 1 little basket. This one's kind of like a loose basket, and it has these 2 straps to pull them from. This might work for my plant situation that I want to have, like, I'll show you guys at home, just like a bunch of plants draping over this. And then the piece. When you guys see this, you're gonna think, ew, but the potential this lamp has, I kid you not, I saw it and I was like, are you cute or are you ugly or are you weird or are you like, it's very let me just show you the damn thing. It's this lamp. Ignore the lampshade. She's gone, she's going, we're getting rid of her, or at the very least DIYing her. Tell me this base is not beautiful. Like, essentially this is the lamp, and the base is really what got me. Like the base, I just saw it and I'm like, you're so art deco-y, you're so 80s, you're so beautiful, and imagine you painted. So I'm definitely gonna paint this like a lighter shade of like perhaps terracotta in the color wheel of like what we're using for the entire home. But isn't she beautiful? Like I wanted a second one so badly so it could be a pair and I could like do more with it, but only one, baby, and she came home right away with me. So this is it. This is my entire haul. I hope you guys enjoyed coming thrifting with me for home decor today. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and like this video for more thrifting goodness. All I do is thrift no matter what, every single week. And so if that's your jam, make sure you join the fam. In the meantime, you can find me at Telltales of Lay on all social media platforms, and I'll see you guys next week with more thrifting adventures.